In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effectively navigate Squarespace's Help Center using Google. Whether you're new to Squarespace or simply need a refresher on accessing their support services, this guide will walk you through each step to ensure a smooth experience. First, let's start by heading over to the Squarespace website. Open your preferred web browser, then enter the URL for Squarespace or use a search engine like Google to find it. Typing Squarespace in the search bar will also get you to the website quickly, as it should be one of the top results. Once you've arrived on the Squarespace homepage, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout if you're not already acquainted. Over on the top right corner of the page, you'll be able to spot the Help option. This is your gateway to a world of support and guidance on all things Squarespace. After you've identified the Help option, go ahead and click on it. Doing so will direct you to the Squarespace Help Center. Here's where all the magic happens. The Help Center is designed as a repository of knowledge, filled with a wealth of articles, guidelines, and tutorials created to assist you with almost any issue you might encounter while using Squarespace. You'll find information ranging from setting up a new site, custom design tips, search engine optimization, or troubleshooting common technical difficulties. When you first enter the Help Center, notice how it's structured to be user-friendly. The layout never feels overwhelming. Instead, it's organized into various topics and categories. You can either browse through these sections, or if you have a specific query, use the search bar usually located at the top of the page. Type in keywords relating to your question or problem, and Squarespace will provide a list of relevant resources and guides to help you out. Navigating through the Help Center could be as simple as finding the right keywords that encapsulate your query. Explore the various clickable options like Getting Started, Design, or Commerce that offer deeper dives into those spheres. Also, each section is updated regularly to reflect the latest features or common queries users encounter, ensuring you have the most current advice at your fingertips. As you move through the Help Center, you'll realize how seamless and intuitive the experience is, giving you confidence to tackle any challenge that comes your way. And that's it. We've now successfully navigated to and explored the Squarespace Help Center using Google. With this newfound knowledge, you're better equipped to leverage Squarespace to its fullest potential. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this guide useful. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave them in the comments section, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials and guides. Happy building with Squarespace!